Love that. I'm not exactly sure. It's so big where I'm gonna put it. If you see this, you better run and pick it up because I think it's gonna sell out pretty fast. It's giving like Wicked Witch of the East vibes. One of my favorite pumpkins, I think, this year. Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today's video is super exciting for me. I am fall obsessed, so I am so happy to actually start filming fall content. And so the first video on my channel for this year is going to be my fall decor haul. I'm gonna, just take you around and show you all the things that I bought so far this year. I do still have to buy a few more things. Especially like to decorate the porch, which I have a much larger space this year, which I'm so happy about that, and just a few other things like for around the house. So if you're new here, definitely do not forget to subscribe. I am planning on having quite a few fall videos coming your way, and then let me know in the comments when the video is over, what was your favorite piece of decor? Are you already decorating? Are you planning on decorating? I would love to know. All right, let's get started. And if you see those boxes over there in my fireplace, just ignore it, okay? Moved in here, it's not even been a month yet, and so yeah, we're still trying to get stuff taken out. So okay, so first thing I'm gonna show you, not necessarily a piece of fall decor, I just bought it because I wanted it. This is super big. It is a ginger jar, which I had been wanting for a while, but I didn't have a space to put it. Oh, let me bring attention to these nails here. So I was at Walmart yesterday thinking, I was rushing, I was like getting groceries, I was talking on the phone, I was like not paying attention. And I was thinking I was getting black nails. These are green, and it's giving like Wicked Witch of the East vibes. I don't know, but it is what it is. I paid the money. I was gonna use the lid to that. It was actually on clearance for $49. Cannot be a jar that big for that cheap. So yep. But I am thinking, bought stems like this. They are super long, whimsical. They are just gorgeous. These are from Hobby Lobby, and I'm sure you guys already know Hobby Lobby has their 40% off sale. I'm starting to wonder, like, are they gonna have a 50% off sale? And if so, when? Like, not wait until like November or something, because at that point it's gonna be too late. But anyway, so these are the ones that I bought last year. And so I wanted the red ones last year, but I didn't end up getting. Next video after this one will be a kitchen clean and decorate for fall. So definitely stay tuned for that one. Gosh, that's the only thing. These, they get tangled so fast. But I'm thinking, let me see if I can just like put this together super quick. But I'm thinking this would look really gorgeous in this vase. Oh, this is what I do. Do you guys always cut your stems, or do you just bend them? This is like not super easy to do because it's really thick. But oh my God, I'm getting hit in the face. Okay. Oh my Lord, and it's getting caught in my hair. Y'all, okay, I'm clearly on the struggle. Anywho, let me show you real quick what I was thinking. You can kind of see it. You can see the vibe. $12.99 and then 40% off. And then this one's $8.99. 40% off. I think that is really cute. It's not really picking up the real color, I don't feel like, on camera. But it's more like reddish orange as opposed to, I feel like it's picking up just orange, but it is reddish orange. It's not new. So I picked that up last year from Hobby Lobby. That's not new. So also not new. This one I thought was super cute. Originally $8.99 from Hobby Lobby. This one here, this is like for a tiered tray. And so it's like just a little slice of pumpkin pie, and then like a little, I don't know what you want to call it, like a little pumpkin spice kind of thing. I think that's really cute. That was originally $3.99, so these are also really cute. And and the leaf just fell off. That one was originally $16.99. I feel like this is worth it for, you know, how whimsical it is and how it just like kind of drapes, and you just like stick it in a jar and then it'll just kind of like flow. I think that's really cute. I got 2 of those. This super cute sign, I was going to get this last year and I must have waited too long, and when I went to get it, it was already sold out. So the original price is $29.99. It just says Farm Fresh Autumn Harvest, and it's that like cute copper. Love it. And then this one here, I think this is super cute. Originally $24.99. I just love how it's shaped with the, you know, like the different texture with the white and gold and the gold stem. I think that is super, super cute. So, love it. This one is also a heavier one, I guess. I love the shape of this one too, with the stem. I just like the like oddly kind of shaped pumpkins as opposed to always having the perfectly round ones, you know what I'm saying? So I think that one is super cute. That one was $24.99. This is one of my favorite pumpkins, I think, this year. This one says Fall Blessings on the little tag there. And I think it's just super cute. It reminds me of like Charlie Brown, which we have to, it's like a tradition. I watch that with my kids like every year. Or we try to, I should say, watch it like every year. What is it, The Great Pumpkin Charlie Brown? I think that's super cute. That's just what it reminds me of. And it also reminds me of, if you have little kids, you probably know, Spookily the Square Pumpkin. I also think that is like such a super cute show. And the shape just like really reminds me of that. So, I love it. A couple more things from Hobby Lobby. I got this little mug. And just says, let's get cozy. I think that's super cute. And the inside is like that, what do you call it, gingham? That is cute, love it. And oh, that one is $10.99. I don't think I told you how much this one was. That was originally $24.99. And then this one, the little book stacks. Can you see it? I think maybe it focused now. Love You More Than Pumpkin Anything. I think that's super cute. It has like the little wooden tag, the tassels, and I think it's super cute. Originally $5.99. Then spoons for my coffee bar, and it says food safe, hand wash only. Originally $9.99. So I think that's a pretty good deal. I think we're almost done with Hobby Lobby. This is the biggest sign that I have probably ever gotten from Hobby Lobby. I also wanted this last year. I did not get it and it sold out. And so when I saw it this year, like right when the sale came on for 40% off, I had to get it. So, and it says, fall is proof that change is beautiful. And I love that saying, so yeah. Love that. I'm not exactly sure, it's so big, where I'm gonna put it. But I did get a new entryway table. So, I don't know, it might go there, but love it. This is super cute. I got this from Dollar Tree. And it actually has a recipe for apple pie. So I might even actually try this one. I have a recipe for apple pie, but I might try it. But yeah, super, super cute. I love it. I think it's really go cute like on the counter or something. I'm not exactly sure where I'm gonna put it, but I'll figure it out. And then I got this little one. It's like a little cute copper pumpkin from Dollar Tree. This one also from Dollar Tree. I love the little, again, the little gold, like this big one here. That's what it reminded me of. And then, I think this one might be the last thing I got from the Dollar Tree, which is this like little pumpkin punch little sign. I think that'll go cute on, I don't know, maybe a tier tray. So I actually got, I have 3 of these. little, they're like what they call craft pumpkins. I don't know if I'll actually like cut it and maybe put some flowers or something in it, or I'll just leave it like this. But I got 3 of these. I actually got them on clearance last year, but it was like at the end of the season, so I never used it. So it was originally $19.99, and it was like at that time 80% off. So, but I have 3 of these in Target. So I got these little pumpkins. These actually were from last year, but I never used them, so I'll definitely make sure I use them this year. And then I got 2 bags of these gold glitter pumpkins from the little dollar spot. I also got this last year that I did not use. Just this little cute thing. I think this would be perfect for the tier tray, actually. I got a few of these here from the dollar spot. These were $3. And so I think this was so cute with like the rose gold stem. Same here. They're like velvet, but they're actually, yep, actually ceramic. They're the same ones, just miniature, which I think is so cute. These are from TJ Maxx, actually. These are $7.99. You can see it's like got a little glitter, kind of like glitter throughout, and then a little cute pumpkin. So I got a couple more things I think from Target. Oh, just these like little tea towels. These are, I don't know, just kind of brown. These are like little gourds and pumpkins with the little tassels, more tea towels. I think those are super cute. And then this one, just like a little gingham pattern with, this looks more like a maroon kind of, but I think that is super cute together. A few things from Michael's. This cute little football. This is also ceramic, and I'm gonna use this on a tier tray because of course football season is upon us. And then Michael's, this Farm Fresh, what is this? Oh, you pick pumpkins, welcome, Farm Fresh, open daily, 25 cents per pound, hay rides, corn maze, bonfires. This was so cute. I cannot wait to decorate with this. Originally 20 bucks, but it was 50% off, so. And then I got just a few more little pumpkins. These are also $4.99. So this one with the cute little stem and the little squigglies there, I think that's super cute. I definitely wanted more like small stuff because I just bought a tier tray, so I know that'd be really cute. This one, I love this one because of the little design there. Oh, I didn't even realize it was actually leaves on there. I just thought it was some kind of cute little design. But I love that. And then this one, oh, here we go. It's fall, y'all. This will definitely be perfect, I think, for a tier tray. And I got 1 candle from Michael's. This is called Pumpkin Vanilla Latte. And I can tell you, it smells really good. Really good. And it's cute. I love the packaging. With the cute little bow and the wooden top. I cannot wait to light it. I hope it has a good throw. Walmart. I only got 2 things from there, but I'm definitely going to be going back because Walmart has some really good pricing for like hay bales. I saw those that will be going on my porch. And I don't know, a few other things like scarecrows, that kind of thing. So I'll definitely be going back. But I had this pumpkin some years back and I don't know what happened to it. I think they went up though. I swear these were like, used to be like 5 something. These like little foam kind of cheapies. But this year they're $7.44. But the one thing that I was shocked about, I have never seen Walmart carry such high quality pumpkins before. So let me show you. If you see this, you better run and pick it up because I think it's gonna sell out pretty fast. So, it says Happy Thanksgiving on one side. And I think I will actually, well actually I do know. I'm going to turn it around until it's around Thanksgiving time and then, but look, I mean it's heavy It is actually ceramic, and it was only $19.44. Really, really good price. Something like this at really any of the other stores, it's gonna at least run you $30. I know that for sure. This size, being ceramic, if it was from like Hobby Lobby, Michael's, anywhere, it's definitely gonna be probably between 30 and 40 bucks with it being this big. So I was shocked, and there was only a few in my store, but I definitely was not leaving without this bad boy. So that's all I have. I'm not sure how long this video is gonna be, probably 15 or 20 minutes. I don't know, that's my guess. But what do you guys think of all the decor I bought so far? Like I said, I do have a few more things to get, especially because I have hardly anything for a front porch. I bought a few things from Joann's already for a pickup. I have to go pick them up. I bought like a 3-tiered stack. And let me tell you, let me give you a little tip too to save money. So, I think in the store, I can't remember the brand that they have that is always on sale at Joann's, like the seasonal stuff, but it was 50% off. And so I got this pumpkin stack. I think it was over $100 originally, 50% off. But then I ordered it online for store pickup, and I had a 25% off coupon to be used on my entire order. And so I got that down quite a bit. If I go and pick it up today, I'll try and show you guys. And then I bought a rug, and I ended up buying 2 wreaths. One was gonna be for the kitchen, one for the front door. They were sold out of one of them, so I only got one. And then a rug, an outdoor rug that said like, please come back with pumpkin spice. I thought that was super cute, so I had to get that. And then just a few little, I think like gold leaf picks that I'm gonna add to the wreaths, or I can add it to, you know, something else too, I guess. Like floral arrangements or what have you. So yeah, so I think that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed yet, definitely subscribe, because like I said, the fall videos are coming. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. And that's it. I will see you guys back here soon. Bye.